Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a look at the stock Cloud Commerce, ticker symbol CLWD. But as always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Cloud Commerce, Inc. provides data-driven solutions worldwide. Its solutions help its clients to acquire, engage, and retain their customers by leveraging digital strategies and technologies. The company offers data analytics for retail, wholesale, distribution, logistics, manufacturing, political, and other industries, digital marketing services, branding and creative services, and development and managed infrastructure support services. The company was formerly known as Warp 9, Inc. and changed its name to Cloud Commerce, Inc. in September 2015. Cloud Commerce, Inc. was founded in 1998 and is based in San Antonio, Texas. Cloud Commerce has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Friday, February 12, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Now we'll take a look at the latest news from the company. Cloud Commerce to launch artificial intelligence, AI, advertising venture. The company will use AI to enhance its successful Swarm solution to cut advertising costs by as much as 50%. San Antonio, January 8, 2021, Globe Newswire, Cloud Commerce, Inc. CLWD, a leading provider of digital advertising solutions, today announced that it plans to launch an artificial intelligence, AI, venture that will focus on using AI to enhance its successful Swarm solution with the goal of cutting advertising costs by as much as 50%. The tools are now available to do what humans cannot do, said Andrew Van Noy, Cloud Commerce's CEO. Our Swarm solution has met with great client success, which has encouraged us to take the next step, using state-of-the-art tools, such as AI, to eliminate inefficiencies that could potentially reduce the costs of advertising by as much as 50%. Mr. Van Noy continued, I am reminded of John Wanamaker, 1838 to 1922, a very successful merchant, who opened one of the first department stores in the US, which grew to 16 stores and eventually became part of Macy's. He is credited with coining the phrase, half the money I spend on advertising is wasted. The trouble is I don't know which half. Our mission is to search the unknown and cut out as much of the waste as we possibly can. Mr. Van Noy concluded, we believe that the best way to achieve success is to launch a separate venture that is dedicated to achieving this goal. We will provide this new venture with the resources necessary to employ the best people and tools. Digital advertising is an enormous industry. We think that by marrying artificial intelligence with digital advertising, we will produce a winner. I personally hold shares in this company myself and think it has great long-term potential. If you plan on investing in the stock, please do your own due diligence and remember this is still a penny stock at the end of the day and you can expect high volatility and huge swings in prices. This is a high-risk stock and your capital is at risk. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.